Hi Tweezer Man, Bobbi Brown, makeup artist and founder of Jones Road Beauty. I'm here to talk about going back to college. Now, going back to college means studying, hopefully not too much partying, but that all takes a toll. So I'm here to give you some tips and tricks how you can just manage the whole thing and look better and feel better. And it's not as difficult as you think. First thing is skin. Make sure you drink enough water so you are hydrated. I'm sure you take good care of your skin. Okay, a little bit of eye cream. And keeping the skin nice and hydrated with a moisturizer. I also like makeup that's quick and easy and taking care of your skin, because you know when you do have an all-nighter and you need something, you can always put some extra concealer and brightness under the eyes, but by making your eyelashes and your brows stand out, it just literally makes you look awake. So I'm gonna give you some tips. So I use this to brush up the brow, because that is the first prep step. Make sure that you have the proper tools to do your brows. So these are amazing tweezers. Have you tried the Tweezer Man tweezers? They are really good. They make a big difference. So if you have a few hairs, just pull them out, and it's great to do it right when you get out of the shower. It doesn't hurt as much. Also, just a good tip, if you have a stubborn one, you could use the pointed tweezer, and this is also great if you get splinters. Okay, so first the brows, and then I'm going to brush them up and fill them in. I love this kit because it's so easy to throw it in your bag or just have it in your drawer. It's kind of all you need. So the brow brush, it's dual, so you could use this to brush up the hair, and then this angled, harder brush is amazing for filling in any kind of spots or holes and gives a denser application. This brush helps you create fine hair-like strokes. A little bit is all you need to fill in any kind of holes in your brow. So what I really love about the spoolie brush, besides brushing up the hair so you could see where you need to tweeze, it really helps you pull the whole brow together and brush it up so you get the best arch and the best definition in your brow. You have both the tip and the side. I brush it up with the side and then use the tip to kind of control where it goes. Okay, now we're gonna talk about lashes next. So curling your lashes, you have to make sure that you do it before you have mascara on, or it will break off your lashes. So look straight ahead. It really does a good job of curling them. You wanna make sure that you don't catch your skin, it's just the lashes. Turn your hand up, hold it, 5 seconds, let go, and your lashes are ready for mascara. An eyelash curler is your mascara's best friend because it really does help open up the eyes, and that is kind of the secret when you are feeling tired. To be able to give yourself definition and open eyes makes a big difference. I usually like to do a couple coats. I like to use the brush and get all the little lashes in the corner, especially because you're fair, and just build up the lashes. The folding eyelash comb is so amazing because you just close it, you could throw it in your bag, it keeps it clean, and you don't have to be a perfectionist when putting mascara on. You can comb it afterwards, even if you add a couple coats. And then sometimes I throw on just something pretty on the eyes. When you're in a rush, sometimes this just adds a little bit of sparkle. And I'm gonna give you another tip while I give you a little bit of blush. It's this little teeny razor. And by the way, like if you're running out the door and you remember you forgot to shave or you missed something, this really does help. Now you're party ready and you don't look tired at all. So that's your back to college beauty essentials. I know you have a lot on your mind, a lot on your plate. Try to make it quick and easy, and you've got this.